Be blessed by the divine. How do you remain at peace when you meditate? Here is a secret. Your mind is that of a child. If you haven't been listening to your mind, it will begin to disturb you when you meditate. So the secret to remain at peace when you meditate is to listen to your mind before or after meditation. So here is what I do. Before I begin my meditation, I take permission from my mind. I request my mind, please give me some time to increase my concentration powers. Let me go to subtle levels of frequency so that I qualify myself to listen to you. I'm not going anywhere. I am with you and I'm willing to listen to you, and I will certainly, and I promise, I certainly will listen to you once I finish my meditation. Now, if you don't follow up on your promise, if you do not fulfill your promise, the next time when you meditate, the mind will tell you, die. You promised me last time that you will listen to me. Now I am going to talk and not going to allow you to meditate. And it will disturb you. So therefore, fulfill your promise. Sit down after the meditation in silence whenever you can. Maybe take 15-20 minutes, or maybe just write a diary in the middle of the evening or late in the night before you go to bed. Take a diary like I do. Write down all those important things that are important for your mind. The other end of your mind is Almighty Consciousness. When you are in silence, God speaks to you. Write it down. List down the thoughts. Analyze. Ask your mind, will this thought, when manifest in action, cause pain for me or others now or in the future, physically or mentally? If it is going to cause pain, then find an alternative thought. You don't have to go anywhere else to find it. Just ask your mind. Your mind knows there is goodness inside you. There is godliness inside you. That goodness, that godliness will give you an idea which will not hurt anyone. Take that thought, visualize at the alpha frequency. Keep your mind at Duriya Chakra, go to alpha frequency and start visualizing positive thought manifesting in reality and getting rid of the negative thought. Eventually, when you repeat this process, the mind chatter will reduce and calm down, and you can meditate at peace. Do you have this process, or do you have some other process? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed by the divine.